So we're finally back here at Nirwana Maju again for banana leaf with our friends.
Hi guys! How's it going?
Hi guys, it's Puri and Sue and we are here with our friends Alex and Malin, and they have their own channel. It's called the Timezone Junkies.
Well, we have so far done hitchhiking journeys. Last year we hitchhiked from Thailand to Spain, and then this year we were planning on hitchhiking from Turkey to Kyrgyzstan, but now we're here in Kuala Lumpur instead. But we did 2 months in Turkey, Georgia, Armenia and Azerbaijan.
Yeah, so check it out because it's pretty intense, especially the first journey that we did. That was 23,000 kilometers.
Go check out their channel, it's really interesting. But now time to eat. Let's go fill our bellies.
We're gonna have a full day of food.
When it hits you,
So it's our first time getting the biryani rice, and I didn't know they come with the chicken drumstick. It's huge.
it's you.
1, 2, 3, do it!
They're both vlogging at the same time. It's really good. The rice is full with spices. I'm gonna get a chicken too. I think it's boiled chicken. It's okay. I think it's very nice with the gravy on it. So we're just done filling out ourselves with super delicious banana leaf rice.
It's delicious.
It was really nice. Has been the best food we've had in Kuala Lumpur so far. Alright, next please.
Alright, next. Right, so we are here in Taman, they're famous for Cendol and Rojak. And we're gonna let these guys try it out for the first time. So we've ordered 2 different kinds of cendol. One is the one with pulut, which is sticky rice, and one was just normal, the basic cendol. So we got cendol, the normal cendol. It's basically shaved ice with this green worm-looking rice flour thing, and brown sugar. Just mix it out a little bit first. There's some sweet corn and red beans in here as well.
When it hits you,
Really refreshing in the hot day.
yes you. When it hits you, yes you holler.
Alright, we have had a wonderful day here with Puri and Sue, so thank you guys very much for taking time to meet us and taking us to some amazing places in KL and around KL as well.
And giving us more of a local experience.
I hope you guys enjoy it.
Yeah, we had a great
Yes,
time.
we really have.
And it's so sad we have to come to the end. We'll see that next time. So that's it for now.
So remember guys, don't forget to subscribe to these guys.
Yeah.
Lovely videos.
And this guys too.
Thumbs up for the video.
Yeah, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye.